Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Here's a look from this afternoon over Quincy, where the air looks still pretty hazy with smoke, a little better than yesterday. It seems, we were tracking yesterday pretty not so good conditions when it comes to air quality in that area.
Yeah, the Quincy AQI has been among the worst of this half of the state. Basically, we've had a lot more smoke coming from the Claremont fire. It's been a little bit better, hardly enough to notice around Quincy. Better still, though, as you get closer to the foothills and the Central Valley itself. Taking a live look outside, you can see Oroville Dam there, and you can actually see some of the water, which is good news. The air quality and the visibility going the right direction, even some blue sky. We haven't had a lot of that recently, so that's the direction we want things to go. Starting to clear out, make it healthier and a little bit easier to be outside. The temperatures, though, despite the smoke that we've had, have still been awfully hot. Chico, 95 degrees, lots of hazy sunshine, no wind to speak of either. A very quiet afternoon. It's hotter. It's also smokier in Redding, 99 degrees. Didn't care about that smoke very much because it's still heating things up with the sun. 99 degrees also in Red Bluff. Still another smoky afternoon for us. The wind out of the south-southeast at 7 miles an hour. In Oroville, also a smoky, hazy sky. Lots of sunshine, though. 91 degrees. Still, you can kind of feel and smell and taste that smoke that's in the air right now. And not a surprise, our fire danger is still going to be in the high category. More heat tomorrow compared to today, with temperatures from the foothills to the valley ranging from the lower 90s to the lower 100s. The wind, thankfully, still not that strong, and I can't emphasize enough how beneficial it is to have very little wind. These fires that are still raging around the region would be so much harder to battle if we had even twice as much wind as we have right now. Humidity has been rising a little bit, between 15 and 30%. We'd love it to be higher, but that's just not going to be happening anytime soon. So the fire danger still in the high category for us right now. 88 degrees in Bernie, 87 degrees in Alturas with increasing clouds, as well as over Chester, and 87 degrees in Magalia. Not much wind, though. Everyone at or below 14 miles an hour. Certainly not windy at all around the Central Valley. 10-mile-an-hour breezes in Redding. Now, most of the area has been fairly quiet this afternoon, except for southeastern Shasta County and now the northwestern corner of Lassen County. Some showers and storms. We see a few lightning strikes. We don't want to see that. Unfortunately, that is going with the territory with the thunderstorms developing. But once the sun goes down, those go away. So we're going to have a fairly clear sky. Still, the smoke is going to be in the air. That's going to be going for the next several days, but gradually thinning it out, especially as firefighters get a handle on these gigantic fire complexes. So it is going the right direction for us. But with the size of these fires, it's going to take a while. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. We'll have upper 80s and lower mid-90s for the northern mountains. Still smoky, but it's gradually improving for the Sierra. We'll also have lower 90s for highs tomorrow. 90 degrees for Alturas as well as in Chester. 93 hot degrees and still really smoky for Quincy. Also 92 degrees for a high in Paradise tomorrow. Another hazy day, but a little bit hotter than it's been today. And for the valley, expecting more hazy, dark sky tonight with lows in the mid to upper 60s. Highs tomorrow are going to be hotter. 102 degrees for Redding, 100 degrees for Corning. For the Chico area, we're going to have 60s tonight with a clear sky above that smoky blanket. And the daytime highs will be hotter tomorrow, 97 to 100 degrees. And for Chico, it's going to be 98 degrees tomorrow, gradually cooling into Monday, the final day of August. But we're still going to be in 90s all the way through the first 3 days of September, and also gradually lessening how much smoke is in the air. For Redding, triple digits the next couple days, upper 90s Sunday through Tuesday, and then more sunshine and a little bit hotter weather next Wednesday and Thursday.
Thanks, Jason. As that smoke starts to clear, it's looking like probably should be a pretty nice weekend out there for summertime.